Let's do our mimosa assemblage. Prepare all the details: yellow inflorescences, green leaves, 16-gauge stainless steel stem wire, 30 cm long, green and white floral tape, as well as acrylic paint in green, gold and brown colors, and of course a brush with water. Begin the assembly by twisting the first 5 inflorescences together. Attach the second inflorescence to the first one, not far from the last flower. After each twist, distribute the wires evenly to the sides. Nylon jaw pliers can help with straightening the wires. Then attach the third inflorescence about 1–2 cm below. To define the distance at which to attach each subsequent branch, simply place it and observe if you like it by adjusting its position a little lower or higher. For example, it seems to be that this branch should be a little lower. So, I continue twisting down. It's better now. The fourth inflorescence should be positioned 1–2 cm below. Again, all these intervals are done by eye, no need to measure anything with a ruler. The main thing is that you like it. It looks natural, realistic and reminds of mimosa. Next goes the 5th branch. When these assembly bunches become too thick and it's hard to twist them, simply leave some wires in the middle. Thus, the stem will begin to form, while continue twisting with the rest of the wires. Right after the 5th inflorescence, it's time to add the rod and then continue the assembly using white floral tape. I am lifting this layer of wires to position the rod deeper while trying to fix it in place. Continue twisting in the same manner, but with a rod in the center. The rod was fixed pretty good, but of course still not completely secured. I'm going to take a floral tape now. We will also need to trim some wires, especially the short ones, at different levels, in order to reduce the thickness of the overall stem. Remember to always stretch the tape very well. Attach its end right under the 5th branch. Try not to cover several times with the tape in one spot. We don't want to create unnecessary branch thickening. Next, attach the 6th, 7th and 8th branches using the floral tape. As always, fold the tape in half lengthwise to make it stronger. I put this branch here and see. If I like it, then I attach it right away. If not, then we can tape it down some more, or vice versa, unwind it. I think it's pretty good at this point. This one I want to put even lower. By the way, you can leave some longer stem of the 7th branch, since it's quite sturdy. Just need to twist it a little more here. Before attaching the last 8th inflorescence, you can attach a leaf. Especially if you have more than 2 leaves, it's a good idea to start adding them somewhere between the last branches with flowers. Yes, I like it this way. But first, while we still have good access to the stem here, we can tint it with gold. First, finish taping for another couple of centimeters. Tear the floral tape off. After all the branches are secured, we can work on the stem. Bend the branches away from the stem to avoid painting them. Let's wait to let the paint dry. By the way, during the assembly process, when working with the floral tape, wipe your hands with a dry cloth regularly. We want our beautiful glass seed beads and crystals stay clear and shiny. After the paint has dried, we can continue. Take a green floral tape, stretch it, and begin to attach it first in one layer, not to add the extra thickness. Then you can fold it in half lengthwise for strength. Attach the last 8th branch with flowers, either this way or that. I like it both. Not sure which way is better. Probably here and there I will add a leaf. Let's try on the last leaf. I want it even lower. The tape has ended. So I take a new tape and finish covering the entire stem to the very bottom. At the very bottom, trim the rods and wire ends flush. And continue covering the tip of the stem with floral tape. We just need to finish painting the stem. Bend all the parts again so they don't get in the way. Here you need to create a smooth transition from green to golden. And at the end you need to transit green to brown. So the branch is ready. Last but not least, shape the yellow inflorescences and green leaves and bend the stem. For a mimosa bouquet, make several branches. I have created 5 mimosa branches. Put your beaded mimosa branches in a vase or make a bouquet out of them. I hope you enjoyed our big masterclass and you will create these wonderful mimosa branches. Please like and subscribe to my Super Beads channel. See you soon!